Hello, my name is Xiao. It's my honor to present our work, Temporal Context Enhanced Referring Video Object Segmentation, which enhances the model to understand the temporal information in a video to overcome some challenging scenarios on the referring object segmentation task. This work is created together with Basavaraj Hampiholi, Heiko Neumann, and Jochen. Referring Video Object Segmentation (RVOS) is a multi-modal task aimed at segmenting objects from a video clip guided by given linguistic expressions. The input contains a video clip and expression sentences, and the output would be a sequence of object masks for each sentence. Our work focuses on exploiting temporal clues in videos and text. The standard framework of RVOS usually contains four main parts: a visual backbone and a linguistic backbone to extract visual features and linguistic features respectively, a feature fusion model to fuse the features from different modality, and a decoder block to decode the feature into masks. End-to-end referring video object segmentation with multimodal transformers is one of the state-of-the-art methods in RVOS. The work picks the video swing transformer and Roberta as the visual and linguistic backbone respectively. The features from different modalities are concatenated and fed into self-attention models to fuse them and generate dynamic kernels by the fused features. The dynamic kernels are used in the upsampling stage in the decoder to generate the final output. Language as queries for referring video object segmentation is another state-of-the-art method. The model shares a similar structure with the previous work, and the main difference is the features are fused by cross-attention models. We select this work as our baseline. After investigating previous works, we found that they all pay much attention to the spatial feature processing, but less attention to the temporal feature understanding. The temporal communication only happens during the visual backbone stage if a video-based backbone is used, but the rest parts are processed for each frame independently. Which leads to our motivation that a thorough understanding of the inter-frame temporal information in a video clip would benefit the intra-frame spatial segmentation, especially when the object cannot be well observed in certain frames due to, for example, occlusion, motion blur, or ambiguity. As this example shows, the dolphin in the first several frames is mostly underwater and hard to be seen, but can be observed clearly in later frames. If the temporal context is well understood, the processing of the first frame could be benefit from following frames as a reference to provide a better result. As for our contributions, we first present a frame token fusion (FTF) model to aggregate features between frames in the encoder, an instance query transformer (IQT) module in the decoder to directly aggregate queries about the same object but in different frames. In order to evaluate how the temporal context enhancement improved the performance under challenging scenarios, we further organized the Refer YouTube RVOS validation set into subcategories including occlusion, motion, crowded, interaction between objects, ambiguous expressions, and object presence. The graph on the right shows the distribution of different categories. Here comes our model structure. To compare with others, various visual backbones are adopted, including ResNet, Swing Transformer, and Video Swing Transformer. Roberta is selected as the linguistic backbone. The Vision Text Early Fusion block updates the visual features with the given linguistic features, and the updated features are fed into the Frame Token Fusion encoder to aggregate temporal context. The output features would now contain both spatial and temporal context. The instance query transformer decoder further distills the object-related features by a set of instance query and use them to predict the output in the final. In a frame token fusion model, additional empty memory tokens are initialized to refine the visual features in each frame by deformable cross-attention. Then self-attention cross memory tokens from all frames to aggregate temporal information. The updated tokens are now used to provide temporal context in the vision feature. The instance query transformer model utilizes a set of instance queries to distill object features for each frame at first. It is called the spatial attention. Then the instance queries from different frames are arranged and fed into self-attention block to communicate in temporal wise. It's called the temporal attention. Each output token now has communicated with others under both spatial and temporal space. We compare our work with others by using different public benchmarks, including RIF YouTube VOS, RIF Davis 17, and A2D sentences with various evaluation metrics. Some key hyperparameters for our model are listed here, and more experiment setup details can be found in the main paper. The table on the left shows the comparison result on RIF YouTube VOS dataset. The top part shows the method with using spatial backbones, and the bottom part shows the method using spatial temporal backbones. We can see from the table that by only using a simple spatial backbone, ResNet 50, our work already outperforms most of the other works. And when using a spatial temporal backbone video swing transformer, our work achieves the state of the art. The tables on the right show the comparison results on RIF Davis and A2D dataset respectively. Our method has a clear improvement with other methods, which also shows the generalization of our work. This page shows the evaluation study of our method under challenging scenarios. Results are obtained with the ResNet 50 backbone on RIF YouTube VOS dataset. Both our FTF encoder and IQT decoder improve the model performance, and the combination of these two modules achieves the best accuracy. Notably that the increment under different scenarios are not equal. For example, under the occlusion category, our method improves the accuracy by 2.6 under the no occlusion case, but 6.9 under the fully occlusion case, which means by using the proposed method to enhance the temporal context understanding, the ability of handling challenging scenario is improved. This page shows a set of visualized comparison between MTTR, refer formal, and ours. The object referred by the expression, a person wearing a white shirt is driving a white truck moving down the road, is segmented with purple masks. The person is partially occluded by the window frame, and our method generates a better result compared with others. And this page shows an interaction scenario. The expression an adult cell to the left of another adult cell describes the object by the interaction with other objects in the video. Our method not only points out the referred object correctly, but also generates a high-quality result. For conclusion, we proposed TCE-RVOS, an end-to-end referring video object segmentation approach. Our method enhances the temporal context learning in the model by a novel frame token fusion encoder with an instance query transformer decoder, and achieves state-of-the-art result with a clear merge. We classified the refer YouTube VOS validation set and the A2D dataset to investigate the performance in challenging scenarios. And the ablation study shows that our improved structure achieves the goal of better handling the temporal context in challenging scenarios. This page is for the acknowledgement. These are the references, and thanks for watching.